welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look about storms and rains on different planets. First we're going to go about is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet from the Sun and also closest planet to the Sun. It has a lot of craters in the surface. Mercury rains meteors. Venus rains sulfuric acid, and due to its thick atmosphere, there is no life. Mars is the red planet and has a lot of dust storms. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it has some diamonds from the sky. When the lightning of Jupiter hits the methane, it turns into a kind of carbon, and due to the pressure of Jupiter, the carbon turns into a graphite and turns into diamonds. The same thing goes to Saturn. Saturn also rains diamonds from the sky. Uranus has some storms on its surface. Neptune has a lot of storms, and it's the windiest planet in our solar system. Winds can reach about 1,200 more than 1,200 miles per hour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a notification for more videos.